bear the sin, spare the curse. Rehabilitate the ailing, restore amnesty, restore peace. Save the poor, burn the body, bury the dead, for you are the mercy, the merciful Master. O Lord, pull me into yoga, for yoga is the living master of the dead and the dying. For yoga is the merciful master of the sick and the diseased. A merciful master of the body, mind and the soul. The merciful super soul. Human lung is very complicated in structure. Anatomy and life expectancy is still more complicated and cannot be duplicated in science and human inventions. Lung is a spongy organ covered over a total surface of 80 square meters, packed inside the thoracic musculoskeletal chest in the human body. Oxygen exchange takes place in the air cells. Oxygen gets into the blood and carbon dioxide gets out of the blood through osmosis and variation in surface tension in the air cells. The blood gets into the lungs through veins and arteries and the heart pump. The air gets exchanged through several branches of tracheobronchial tree inside the human lung and reaches the air cells. The air cell is a basic unit of oxygen exchange, where oxygen exchange takes place. There are about 600 million air cells in adult human lung. Lung inflation and lung expiration is a self-controlled brain process and is actuated in nerve response and stimulus. These responses and stimuli are automatic, psychic and divine postulations that cannot be controlled in science, man, machine and inventions. Millennium after millennium, PACHARI Yoga International Trust, that is PYIT, postulates yoga, pranayama, coupled with meditation, good food and good social life habits, which can alone tune the lung efficiency, lung performance and lung expectations in life towards the value-added longevity of peaceful and painless life in the body, mind and in the soul. So help me God in yoga.